Hello everybody, welcome back to Battle Cats, and today I have a few things. First, we'll be we'll be attempting, I'm not making any promises, we'll be attempting the Crazed Axe and the Crazed Bird, and then we'll be doing Chapter 2 Zombie Moon. That's really it. So, Crazed Axe, Maniac Axe, my bad. I will fully admit, I have tried this before, and, it was a bit of a, how should I say, massacre. This thing just hits you with so much at a time that you have no reaction. Like, there just isn't anything you can do. But I have a solution. You see, every single enemy we actually face, other than the Manic Axe itself, is a red enemy. And the evolution of Face Cat, which is the evolution of Apple Cat, evolves into Eye Cat and has a 100% chance of freezing red. It is super rare, it is a little expensive, however, it is so much easier to get a couple of this thing out there than, say, a single Uber. Like, I can get, about half a dozen out of these guys out there by the time I get a single Uber. So, yeah, this'll go better than you might think, I hope. Yeah. iCat. This is what I'm going with. I have to admit, I'm questioning whether I should take Phono off because he's great, but, he's quite expensive. We're gonna go. And also, that one is Black Cat. She does I think massive damage against red and alien. We're not going to be seeing any alien, as I've said. I've attempted this before. I also just realized I should probably hit us with a rich cat and a sniper. Now we're going in. Is this too many meat shields? Probably. Will I regret it? Again, also... Ooh, those horns look awesome. Oh, crud. iCat, I need you to get in there and freeze one of our problems. There you go. Need to feather these guys in. This is going a lot. Okay, Black Cat did take a hit. I don't appreciate that, but... Just kill a single one of them, like, honest to God. Ah, crud. Ah, crud. Nice savage blow. Oh, we actually hit him. Come on. Massive damage to Traitless, by the way. And I'm pretty sure she's hit at least a couple savage blows. Yes, it's dead. Everything get out there. Kill, 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 kill. Whoo. Okay, so this will be what I'm using for the Maniac Bird. I will fully admit, I don't know anything about this stage. I'm just bringing Octopus and Adamanchi because they're anti-floating, both of which being meat shields. Phono, because Phono. And I'm bringing Ring Girl Cat because I am fairly confident they're going to put something in that I'm not ready for. And Black is... or, sorry, Dark. I guess for some reason they had to change it. I was recently told about it. And, yeah. I'm expecting Dark. If I keep calling them Black enemies, just know they used to be called that. Again, I will be going Rich and Sniper just because I'm not in the mood to screw up and then not get to do the other Maniac. Yeah, there we go. Ooh, that's cool. I wonder if this thing will be anti-angel like the normal one. I'm gonna build up some money. I don't have any, like, damage dealing anti-floating Ubers, so I didn't put any on. I really do need kind of a nuclear Uber for floating, but I don't have one. Okay, traitless. I'm gonna regret taking off my legend rare, aren't I? See, the problem is Tetsukachi is taking normal amounts of damage from that reindeer, and he can't dodge its attacks. So, I don't like that. Also, Octopus Cat is weakening it. I appreciate... oh, I don't like that. Okay, there's his dodge. We need to kill this reindeer. I definitely should not have taken off. Yeah. Although, he is almost recharged, so it's not the end of the world. I'm getting Phono out, because I don't think it's a good idea to not have a damage dealer out there. Okay, there's another reindeer. I think there's 5 enemies total, including Maniac Island? No, City? It's called City, isn't it? Okay, red. I have nothing for red. The red guy's just gonna kill him instantly, so I don't actually want to get Adamanchi out there yet. I should be getting Cyborg out there. Don't ask why I haven't been doing that. Okay, more floating. Okay. I'm gonna get him out now and hope that they can kill this boar before he's within Phono's blind spot. That's not good. Yeah, we're not... Oh, we killed the boar. Okay. Jesus. Okay, yeah, he's dead again. We really need to save up. That's not good. That's really not good. Alien. Well, I mean, Tetsukachi's no, what do I mean he's kind of? He absolutely is anti-alien. We just need to get rid of the deer, and then he'll be putting in overtime. The problem is this guy's range... Who's knocking back? I'd rather Adamankachi didn't get knocked back, thank you. I'd also rather his dodge kick in. I'm gonna need to start saving up. Even though I can't, there's no Ubers off cooldown, so there's next to no point in doing that. Ah, crud. Okay, so he has a bit of alien, a bit of red. This is a mess. This is a real mess. Oh, I'm gonna get him out. I'm gonna get Adamankachi out. I don't entirely agree, but by the time... Yes. I was gonna say, by the time Phono's off charge, we're either gonna have the money or have no chance. Of course, because Phono is long distance, but despite the fact him being, quote, long distance, this thing, he's still in this thing's range, which is a massive annoyance. This is just, we're just losing. Like, we're just slowly losing, like, under maybe the minor hope that something saves us. I don't think he's gonna save us. No. What was he at? Holy crap. Okay. I don't think I have... okay. Maybe... okay. I'm gonna have to make a massive change. Now, I have to admit, I'm not super confident about this. But this is the best I'm gonna get. See, the biggest thing is I don't have any, like, super good damage dealers against floating. Is my main issue. I sent Muhammad out. I might not have wanted to, but... Did we knock it back? Okay, yeah, that was a poorly timed. Ooh, it's possible she's not in its range. I don't. Okay, yeah, she doesn't outrange it, but she can take a hit, which I really appreciate. Savage Blow. I like that. Okay. I wish I had a much more spammable anti-trait list. I mean, Ease is pretty good. Might trade her out for Ease if we get, you know, closer. Okay. I really hope Swordmaster Cat, I think his name is, will start pulling his weight. iCat might have been better, but I don't know. I don't know if he's getting an attack in, is the thing. He might be getting at least 2 attacks in, he might be getting no attacks in. I don't know. Come on, something die, I beg. Please. Oh my god, how is nothing dying? Seriously. If I get enough money to, I'm sending out my legend rare. I'm pretty sure she's the only... Out, out, out. Go, 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 go. Did Bahamut already take his, like, 3 hits and go? Okay, that's kind of annoying, but sure. Nothing's coming yet. I think the alien boar's next, and I am super screwed if that thing shows up. Save up. Save up. It's like, I don't really need to worry about meat shielding until Texukachi's dead. See, that might be fine. Assuming we kill the reindeer. Someone please kill the reindeer. I beg of you. I think the reindeer are the ones that knock back. I'm 99% sure that's the case. That sucks. Maybe it's not the reindeer. Maybe it's the alien boar? I don't know. Why did I get... on, please. Please. I'm pretty sure we did even worse. God, we're gonna keep doing even worse. Okay, I don't think that actually hit whatever her face is. Wait, that one shot? Muhammad took like 2 hits earlier. Why is it suddenly one-shotting him? Get this guy out. Okay, I can't tell if this is going better. Okay, that's floating, that's fine. Deal with floating. Gonna build up money, build money up, build money up. Okay. Red. It's bad. Adamankachi is about to die. Yeah, I think that's all she wrote. Ugh. Okay, so Swordsman Cat was definitely a waste. Are you kidding me? We did so much better. Oh my god, that's such a kick in the nuts. Chapter 2 Zombie Moon. I'm expecting this to suck. I don't have any true form zombie or anti-zombie cats, unfortunately. So this will be interesting. If I'm not mistaken, I'm pretty sure this one ducks under everything. Yeah, it's kind of a weird race, basically. You have to destroy the base before the boss can get to it. Or before the boss can get to yours. It's not like it's not a normal boss fight. Instead, you're just killing the base before the boss gets to yours. And, wow, I expected that to take way longer. Max energy increase? Okay, I like that. Okay, that didn't take nearly as long as I thought it would. Now, before we end things off, I would like to just make a quick announcement. As I mentioned, I think in my last Cats video, things are definitely going to be slower from Battle Cats, because unless like Maniac stages start popping up, or some other stuff starts popping up, I'm not really going to be filming or recording a lot of this, and treasure grinding takes forever. So, to fill the time, I will be starting a new series. I hope you guys are looking forward to that. It should be the next video I post. It'll either be the new series, the new series will be the next episode, or it'll be Level Devil. Yeah. Yeah, that's really all I got for the announcements. Anyway, thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you at the upload.